I'm back. You ready? You sure you ready? I say, go ahead and battle me. My 6-digit salary growing rapidly, leaving your heart splattered all over your back cavity, nastily drug buying. Refuse to wear a wire. My attire, I blaze more trees than forest fires. Required at a minimum, make sure I put an end to them. The ghetto synonym, finish him, pitting the pendulum. Stress, I smoke cess, keep my chest under vest. Fuck it, you want my head? Fam, I strap my tech to my neck. Flesh under guess. Mr. Don Juan don't take shorts, I'm smoking ports. In the port, to me, sex is a sport. Ice hang low, I cover you with gas and flamethrow. The girl the same hoe that I used to bang slow. So on a freestyle, I stand up and make your ass sit down. My lyrics so hot that they impossible to spit down. Mix rounds, fuck it, leave them holier than Sunday. Thank God that it's Saturday, but you won't live to see Monday. One day, niggas might have a chance, but you have your last dance in the ambulance, so cash advance. Son, I want my shit up front, and I don't know something like that. Don't try to hit that blunt, and for dough, niggas wait until the first of the month. Whoever lives, that all depends on Mr. First in the trunk. Mr. J Flow, like H2O, blaze the dro, rims low, Lex with the low pros, popping mo hot scotch. That nigga with that hot ass watch, the hot Glock in my waist barrel, burning my crotch. That's 129 for you. Get ready.